All right, you guys, today I am going to be doing a review on the new pop on veneers. Just going to give you my honest opinion. I just got some in, and let me tell you, I am in love with them. They have really enhanced my smile. I can't tell you enough how well these pop on veneers work. So I'm just going to do a little demonstration. So when you first do it, you know, you have to do your impressions. I've already did my impressions and sent them off. I got my veneers back, so I don't have my impressions. But when you get it in the mail, it comes on with this nice case. Um, Inside the case is it's a mirror, and your veneers come in a bag. Mine aren't in a bag right now because I took them out, but let me tell you, these are my bottom veneers, and these are the top veneers. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my smile. Now, while I do not have bad teeth, my teeth are very discolored. I have been to the dentist and had deep cleanings done, used all types of mouthwash, all types of whitening creams to try to get them white, and they just don't. Just let you see it again. Looks terrible, right? So as you can tell, it makes me really nervous about smiling, and I just don't like it. I feel very uncomfortable. But with these, it's changed the game. I'm very confident. So just going to show you how to use them, how to apply them. You do your impressions, do them correctly, they will be identical to your teeth. So these are my bottoms. And right here you can see that I had a space missing, a tooth missing, so they put an extra space there. And I got the natural white, because you don't want it to be too bright, and I definitely don't want them to be yellow. So this is the bottom, and they pop right in. So I'm gonna show you. See how they're lined up. Snap, snap. Those are the bottom, as you can see. Look at the difference, all right? Aligned with my gums. Looks good, right? So far, very comfortable. Don't hurt at all. Top just go right in. See? Identical to my teeth. They look good. When you first get them, they do make you talk with a lisp, but the more you wear them, the better it will become. You'll be able to talk better. I really love them. Like I say, I'm more confident. I love them. See? You have to get used to smiling, but they are wonderful. Papa on Veneers is a very good company. Shipping was fast. I sent my impressions. They responded to me within 2 days, and then I received my veneers within 2 weeks. Like it might have been less than 2 weeks. It was really fast. So again, I just want y'all to see. It aligns with my gums. Look just like my teeth. Changing the game. Pop on veneers. I'm actually gonna order me a second set just so I can have them. They're durable and they last. You can eat in them. But I just want 2 sets, so I'm gonna get 2 sets. But just wanted to show you guys, this is real best $600 I have spent, and I'm gonna spend 6 more. I love them. Thank you, Pop on Veneers, for my new smile.